the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG K40 from Metro Bay T-Mobile. So the LG K40 is finally here at Metro Bay T-Mobile. So that's good. So this is a budget smartphone from LG. So they keep it in mind. This is an update of the LG K30 from last year. So not much difference between the two phones. Not much difference, but there are some slight upgrades. But you know, yeah. That's fine. That looks very nice and stuff like that. It says designed to impress. It kind of does impress. But it does look a lot better than the K30 in my opinion. So yeah. So the LG K40 has a 5.7 inch display. It's HD plus, 720 by 1440 pixels. It has a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Both have LED flashes. It has fingerprint and stuff like that. So that's a win. So that's the phone right there. It's free when you export over to Metro Bay T-Mobile, which $189.99. So take that for what you will. That's fun. You guys have a camera, missing camera, earpiece, camera flash, which is a nice feature to have. You guys have a power button on the right side, volume button on the left side. Your Google Assistant key also on the left side, and your SIM tray also on the left side as well. So yeah. So that's the phone right there. Take it around. You guys have a power button right there. On the back, you guys have a camera flash, and fingerprint. LG logo. The left side, like I said, you have a volume button, your Google Assistant key, and you also have a SIM card slot on the left as well. On the top of the phone, you guys have a motion selection microphone. Put it at the bottom of the phone, you guys have a micro USB charging port, which is unfortunate. You know, I just wish that micro USB would die. I wish it would, but it's still here for some reason. But anyways, you guys have a headphone jack, microphone, and a speaker at the bottom. So it says that the premium features you want and the power you need to explore the world. Stay secure with fingerprint ID and facial recognition technology. Preserve every moment with a quick capture camera and enjoy the view with an expansive screen. LG K40 packs premium features and power to boot, so you can explore with eyes wide open. Alright. So the K40, like I said, has a 5.7 inch display. It's HD plus, fingerprint and facial recognition, 13 megapixel face detection, autofocus, rear camera with quick capture, 5 megapixel front facing camera with front flash, and portrait mode, selfie, bokeh. So it does have portrait mode, which is pretty cool. It has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera, clear and vivid pictures day or night, fingerprint sensor, extra security with just one touch, 5.7 inch HD full vision display, immersive camera, bold color, and stunning clarity. View your content in full vision. The 5.7 inch HD plus display comes with full vision, giving you a totally immersive viewing experience. Enjoy bold color and eye-opening clarity. Capture every moment with a 13 megapixel face detection, autofocus camera. Every pixel you capture will be clear and vivid day and night. More security in just a touch. The LG K40 is equipped with fingerprint sensor technology, so you can securely lock your phone with just one touch. It's that simple. It also has facial recognition as well if you guys want to use it too. It also has Metro Play, which is a new thing from Metro by T-Mobile. It says get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This round includes Metro Play and an app offering created content from over 50 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from your home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. So that shows you guys how to do it right there. So pretty easy. So you guys understand that, check it out. The LG K40 has 32 gigabytes of storage, about 17.9 gigs available to the user. You do have a micro SD card slot. You have a 5.7 inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel face detection, autofocus, rear camera flash, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera with flash as well. 2 TB micro SD card expansion, mobile hotspot, 12 hours of talk time, Android Pie with LG X8, 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor. So it has a Snapdragon 450 processor like it does on a lot of phones now. So it's pretty interesting. So octa-core though, so not too bad. The K40 weighs 5.1 ounces. And here are the accessories for the K40. Y'all guys can check these out, or y'all guys can go to Amazon and type in LG K40 and get better accessories for quite cheaper. So there you guys have it. The LG K40 is 908 Metro by T-Mobile. It's finally here after it's been delayed. After it's been delayed for like a few days. So it was supposed to come out last week, but then it got delayed again. So it's finally here. So if you guys are interested in this phone, go check it out. It's a very nice phone. Specs on here are okay. This is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. For $189.99. You take it as you will. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.